Hello traders, Marcelo Torres with TradeWiser with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's see what's going on, but it looks like Bitcoin today is going to roll the ball with the traditional stock market. Let's check this out. First of all, I just want to remind you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks, and reminding you guys that my disclaimers say that this analysis is just an educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory. If we check the fear and greed index, we can see that today we are on the level 50. Yesterday we were on 41. It got greedy due to the fact that we moved yesterday from something around 9,300 and went up to almost 9,700 or a little above that. So around $350 to $400 spread, which is pretty nice. But earlier today, on Wednesday, early UTC -3, we saw Bitcoin dropping back to around 300, 9,300, which means that it was just a speculation to make a little bit of money on the uptrend and now on the downtrend. Okay, let's see how the fear and greed chart looks like. Here it is. Notice that we did break through the resistance, the yellow line resistance that I draw a few days ago, and now we touch the downtrend line on with the blue color right here. But due to the fact that we dropped sharp today and that the stock market wants to go down, most likely we might see Bitcoin not breaking through this blue line today. At least this is my guess. Okay. And if it does, it still has a second resistance line on the orange color. So there's a lot of forces holding Bitcoin prices to go up. So this is something we can look close today to see how it is gonna develop. All right. Moving forward, let's see how the market is shaking. To me, it looked like we are on the negative side of the market today, especially because Bitcoin went down and it still didn't find its level. So it went way down and it came a little up. So Bitcoin is still working itself out to find out let's put like this, a stable level in order for all the altcoin can start moving as well. So let's see how that's going to go through the day. Checking here the screener for the pairs with Tether USDT. Let's see what we have right now. For the day, we have above 5% only four. We have we could say we have six. Let's get the 4.78%. Let's consider it like five. So we have like six opportunities to trade today, which have nice volume, very nice volume. Okay, only the BTC down, that doesn't look nice, but the other the five pairs we have before it looks good. Okay, reminding you guys that today I'm going to start posting only on YouTube. Only on YouTube. I'm going to post the opportunities that I see for USDT and pair with USDT and pair with Bitcoin. Okay, for a few exchanges, not only Binance, and that will show us which pairs are most likely possible to give us some good stuff on the upward and on the downward. So you can go short or go long. Okay, so I would say that we would have like four different tables to see where we want to trade today. Okay, it's going to be a very simple. It's going to be a very simple video. It's just nice and quick, so you guys can just get the table and pause and see which pair you want to pick up. Okay, and do your own analysis to see if it is good to go through. All right. Okay. So moving forward, let's just reminding you guys here that Bitcoin CME future will expire in 2 days on Friday 26th. And look like a few folks already went with the profit realization. Okay. This is these are numbers from yesterday. So if we had some profit realization earlier today, we're only going to be able to see it tomorrow. All right. Okay, then moving forward, here we are with the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. As you guys see, it dropped sharp. It went from 96.54 and touched the minimum of 93.13, something like that. So it is trying to figure out a level to get its move stable. As you can see, we have um, a huge shadow on top of this candle, which suggests that it is having a hard time to decide if it's going to keep up or keep down. All right. Let's see here what we have. Let me move this out. Let me get a better Fibonacci for us. Let me pick it here. Here we go. I'm gonna get the magnet. Click here. Click here. There. I'm gonna put it blue because it's a positive upward. Okay. There we go. So now we do have some suggestions to see where Bitcoin could move. As you guys can see, it tested the Fibonacci level of 38.2% at 9,426 and came back. So let's see how it is gonna move. And there's another point here. It broke out of the the Bollinger Band. Reason why it is moving on this direction right here, because it has to move inside the Bollinger Band. It can't stay outside as it did here for a long time, and that it was doing down here. So it is just coming back in, which means that it could still keep on going down. Not sure, but let's see how that is going to go on. If we check out the indicators, we see that the relative strength index wants to give a positive trend, wants to sign a buy a signal. The stochastic already signed a buy signal. MACD wants to sign a buy signal. We can see that the negative volume wave is fading, and we do have a positive signal as well on the spread price. We still don't have any positive move to, for the money pressure, but we might have a short-term trend being signed in a while if we at least keep the pace we are right now. If it starts going down in all these guys, and somehow they might revert. I would say that today it is a negative day, and I would say also that it is following the traditional stock market. We have an average of 0.7% negative on the United States index. Europe is around 1.5% negative, or let's put like 1.7% negative. So it is going really down. And they are saying that it's due to the fact that the coronavirus is starting to spread again, blah, blah, blah. That is happening for like, I don't know, a week or so, but they just want to give the, the right weight for the news when it's convenient for them. So this is something that we have to pay attention is to what the traditional stock market is going to look like today. It looked like it's going to get heavy. I'm not sure. Remembering that we still have this Bitcoin CME future expiring 2 days from today. So who knows? It might just bump up and bump back. Let's see how that's going to work out. On the 4 hour chart, we can see that the prices are moving inside a uptrend channel. And with this drop that it gave early today, it touched the bottom of the channel. So technically, there's not a lot of room to move down unless it wants to break out this channel and go touch the bottom of the second one, which is close to 9000. At least we have on the daily chart, we only have negative signs. Not necessarily totally negative sign, but we do have negative signs on the volume wave, MACD, stochastic, and the volume pivot. And we have an indecision sign on relative strength index, on the money pressure, and on the spread price. So if we see this price is still going down, these indicators will show negative. So keep our eyes here on the 4 hour chart and also on the regular stock market. When we go for the daily chart, what we see here is that it looks like it doesn't want to move up. We only have negative signs here. The only positive sign that we still have for this moment is the short-term trend. It is still showing up, but it is starting to move. As you can see, let me put the image larger. It is starting to move. The black line is starting to go towards the red line, and the red line towards the blue line. So it looks to me that we're going to lose not only the the short-term trend, but we might lose also the mid-term trend. And who knows, it might give us a Bollinger blast right here. But since we are on the daily chart, it is kind of dangerous to bet on this negative Bollinger blast. Okay, it is moving down. Let's see what the Fibonacci looks like right here. Let me pick it. Oh, let me get it back. Let me put the magnet, pick it again. Here we go here, and here we go here. Let me put it on the, I'm gonna put this guy on the mid, on the center. Okay, here we go. So for today, it is going down, and it already tested the Fibonacci 61.8% at 93.06, but it came back and it's in the half of a way of the 50% Fibonacci and 61.8. So let's keep our eyes here to see how it is going to move. But it looks to me that it wants to move down. All right. That's it, folks, for today. So one eye, 4 hour chart, the other eye on the traditional stock market to see how this is going to go on. All right. That's it, folks, for today. Thank you very much. If this video was useful for you guys, please like it and follow me on my profile on YouTube and all other social networks. Okay, and reminding you guys that I'm going to post still today some good opportunities that technically that shows the table based on technical analysis that shows us good opportunities to trade in the market. Okay, that's it, folks. Thank you very much, and now it's showtime.